Hey everyone, imagine this. You're pumping gas, watching the dollars fly out of your wallet, and realizing you've been falling for myths that are quietly costing you hundreds, maybe even $600 or more every single year. Shocking, right? Well, today we're tearing apart 15 of the biggest fuel myths that trick drivers every day, backed by real tests from places like AAA, EPA, and independent labs. By the end, I'll drop a legit no BS secret that actually cuts your gas bill without any gadgets or gimmicks. Let's get into it. Stick around because some of these will surprise you. Myth number 15, shutting off the engine at a stop saves gas. We kick off with one that's half true, but can bite you if you're not careful. The idea is simple. Idling wastes fuel, so why not turn the car off at long lights or in traffic? Modern engines, especially with direct injection and better starters, use way less fuel on restart than older ones. Studies from Argonne National Lab show that if you're stopped more than about 10 seconds, shutting off actually saves more than idling. That's exactly why factory start-stop systems exist, and real-world tests back them up. The Society of Automotive Engineers clocked savings from 7% to over 26% in stop-and-go driving, with Edmunds and Consumer Reports averaging around 3 to 10% in city conditions. In heavy traffic, it adds up, potentially $100 to $200 a year for the average driver, spending $1,800 on gas. Myth number 14, fuel additives improve mileage and engine performance. Billions get spent on these bottles promising cleaner engines and better MPG. Some work. Deposit control additives can scrub carbon from injectors and valves. But pump gas, especially top-tier brands, already packs in high levels of detergents. AAA tests showed top-tier gas leaves up to 19 times fewer deposits than non-top tier, cutting buildup dramatically over thousands of miles. And it costs just pennies more per gallon, often 3 to 10 cents. Bottled additives? They run 8 to 20 cents per gallon treated, and the EPA has tested hundreds. Most don't deliver promised gains. Some even harm modern direct injection engines by messing with sensors or causing deposits elsewhere. GM's own studies flagged issues too. Bottom line, skip the extra bottles. Stick to top-tier stations. Check toptiergas.com for locations. It's cheaper, more effective, and safer. Ever tried those additives and seen a difference? Share below. Myth number 13, big gas stations have better fuel. We all have that preferred station. Big brand, shiny pumps, feels premium. But fuel quality? The EPA sets the baseline detergent minimum for all gas. Most stations in an area pull from the same regional terminals, so base fuel is often identical. The real separator is top-tier certification, which demands extra detergents, and it's not exclusive to majors. Plenty of smaller or independent spots carry it. Top tier works for regular, premium, even diesel. It keeps injectors and valves cleaner longer, boosting efficiency and preventing knocks. Don't drive miles out of your way for a logo. Use the top tier map and grab wherever it's available. Saves time and hassle. What's your go-to station and why? Let's hear it. Myth number 12, driving on a low fuel tank destroys the engine. This one's persistent. Keep it above a quarter tank or you'll suck up crud and kill the motor. Not quite. Modern tanks have filters and the pump draws from the bottom anyway. Debris gets caught before reaching the engine. Running super low once or twice, no big deal. The actual risk is to the fuel pump itself. It's cooled and lubricated by gas. Constantly running near empty overheats it over time, shortening life. But even then, the engine stays protected. If you're always flirting with yeah, pump replacement, $400 to $800 could hit, but no engine damage. Fill up when convenient, don't stress the gauge. Myth number 11, filling up in the morning saves money. Sounds smart. Cooler gas is denser, so more volume for your buck. Science checks out. Gas expands with heat, but underground tanks hold steady around 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, like a giant thermos. Pumps adjust for temperature too. Consumer Reports tested morning versus afternoon fills. Temperature at the nozzle barely budged after the first gallons. Even if it varied 20 degrees Fahrenheit, volume difference is under 1 to 2%. Not worth planning your day around. Fill when you need it. Myth number 10. Premium gas cleans the engine and improves performance. Premium sounds fancy, must be cleaner, stronger. AAA's big study found millions waste billions yearly using it in cars that call for regular. No extra cleaning, additives are similar across grades in top tier. Octane resists knock in high compression engines. Wrong car gets zero benefit, sometimes worse efficiency from improper burn. Check your manual or fuel door. If it says regular, save the cash. Could be $300 to $600 yearly wasted. Ever fallen for this? Comment your story. Myth number 9. Topping off gets you more gas. Click, click, squeeze for that last drop. You pay for it, but vapor recovery pulls some back. You still get charged. Worse, overfilling floods the evap system, meant for vapors only. Liquid gas damages charcoal canister, purge valves, repairs $200 to $1,000. Plus, spills eat paint and harm the environment. Stop at the first click. Simple. Myth number 8. Cruise control uses less fuel. Mostly true. Steady speed beats yo-yo accelerating. Can save 5 to 10% on highways. But hilly roads? Cruise fights gravity uphill, throttling hard, uses more than gentle manual modulation. Nature studies and real tests show slight increases on varied terrain. Use it on flats, disable in mountains for better control and economy. Myth number 7. Manual transmissions always save gas. Used to be true. Manuals edged out old autos by 2 to 5 mpg, but CVTs changed everything. Infinite ratios keep engine in the sweet spot, often match or beat manuals with lower emissions. No skill needed. Manuals fun, but not automatic fuel winners anymore. Myth number 6. Turning off the AC saves gas mileage. AC does sip fuel, up to 25 to 3 to 25% depending on conditions per EPA. But at highway speeds, over 50 miles per hour, open windows create drag that hurts more than AC compressor load. Mythbusters and DOE tests confirm. Windows up, AC on for freeway. Windows down, low-speed city. Pick smart. Myth number 5. Fuel injector cleaning is always necessary. Shops push $200 to $400 services, but top-tier gases detergents handle most cleaning. AAA saw big reductions in deposits. Professional blasts good for neglected old cars every 60 to 90,000 miles, but routine? Skip and use quality fuel. Myth number 4. Using higher octane fuel increases horsepower. Only if engine designed for it. High compression needs anti-knock. Standard engines? No gain. Possible efficiency drop. Exceptions like flex fuel on E85 in tuned cars, but rare. Stick to spec. Myth number 3. Gas station fuel truck deliveries make gas worse. Deliveries stir sediment, mix old and new, add condensation, but stations filter aggressively. Water separators, screens catch junk. Routine maintenance keeps tanks clean. Bad gas rare at reputable spots. Avoid sketchy ones, but don't dodge deliveries. Myth number 2. Old cars are always less fuel efficient. 70s averaged 13 mpg, 80s hit 27, moderns hover 26 to 27 overall, but heavier with accessories. Well-kept classics like old Hondas or Toyotas can out-mpg some new gas guzzlers. Maintenance beats age. Myth number 1. Fuel-saving devices significantly improve fuel mileage. From 200 mpg carburetors to magnets, vortex gadgets, snake oil since the 30s, EPA tested dozens, few minor gains, none game-changing. Waste money, risk engine harm. Real savings? Steady driving, proper tire pressure, check monthly saves 3%. Light load, top-tier fuel, regular oil changes, smooth habits. That combo drops costs reliably. There you go, 15 myths busted. The real secret? Consistent basics. Top-tier gas, right tire pressure, door sticker PSI, gentle throttle, maintain your ride. Track your MPG for a month and you'll see real drops in spending. Which myth surprised you most? Did I miss one? Drop it in the comments. Like if this saved you money, subscribe for more honest car tips, and share with a friend getting hosed at the pump. Drive smart out there.